In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted objects in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're looking to get rid of a distracting background element or just clean up your image a bit, these tools and techniques will help you achieve a flawless result. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps you need to take to perfect your photos. To start, open your image in the Develop module within Lightroom Classic. The Develop module is where all the magic happens, allowing you to make all your edits to enhance and adjust your photos. Once you're in, your first task is to select the Spot Removal or Healing tool. This tool can be easily accessed by pressing the shortcut key Q on your keyboard. Or you can manually find the icon that resembles a band-aid or patch in the toolbar. This is a versatile tool that allows you to either replicate or blend areas of your image, making unwanted objects disappear seamlessly. Next, it's essential to choose the right mode for the job. There are 3 options available: Heal, Clone, and, if you have a newer version of Lightroom, Content-Aware Remove. Each mode serves a slightly different purpose. The Heal mode is excellent for blending the area where the unwanted object resides with the surrounding pixels, creating a harmonious look. Clone mode, on the other hand, is useful when you need to copy exact pixels from one part of your image to another, especially when the surrounding texture is consistent. Lastly, the Content-Aware Remove option leverages advanced sampling and blending techniques to automatically fill and blend the area from which an object has been removed. This feature can be a real time saver and often produces impressive results without much additional input. Once you've chosen the appropriate mode, it's time to adjust the brush size and feathering. This step is crucial because you want to ensure the brush covers the unwanted object snugly but is not excessively large. A too big brush can impact areas that should remain untouched, while a too small brush might not fully cover the unwanted element. You can quickly adjust the brush size by using the Q and SA keys on your keyboard to decrease and increase the size, respectively. This allows for precise control as you prepare to make your edit. Now, you are ready for the actual removal process. Simply click or drag the brush over the object you wish to remove. Lightroom will automatically select a source area from which to clone or heal the pixels based on the mode you chose. This action applies the patch, seamlessly integrating the surrounding area into the space previously occupied by the unwelcome element in your photo. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to remove unwanted objects from your images in Lightroom Classic efficiently. Remember, the key here is practice, so feel free to experiment with different modes and brush settings to get the best results for each unique image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.